Well, good morning. It's another day. Yesterday we put the tow hitch in. You can see that video. It'll be linked in the description. Today what we're going to do is we're going to put the wiring in. We're going to put the trailer wiring in. So with that in mind, there's basically two types of Toyota Highlanders. There's the ones that are pre-provisioned and there's the ones that aren't. So ones that have a tow package and ones that don't. How do you tell? Well, according to the experts, you put the VIN number in and it'll tell you. Okay, that didn't work for me. There's another way. Really easy, and you can't go wrong. So let me show you. We got to climb under. Hold on just a minute. And this is how you tell. There's your spare tire right there. This is the hitch that we just put in. And this is one of those fascia tabs that we had to drop. So chances are pretty good you've already seen this. And there it is. That is your wiring provisions right there. What we need to do is take the cap off of this and then plug our harness into it, and that's it. Okay, my hair's all messed up because I had my headband on, but that's okay. I've also been laying in the dirt down there too. That's okay. Anyway, what we figured out that this particular Toyota Highlander has the tow package, which means it's pre-wired up to that point for a trailer. So now when you go to buy your trailer wiring kit, most people aren't gonna just try to buy a bunch of wire and do it themselves. They'll buy a kit. In this case, it's a Tonkin Shaw. Totally mispronouncing that, but that's okay. I'll probably never say that again. 118292. I don't know if you could zoom in and get that. Anyway, I'll put it down in the description. You go out and you buy that kit. Pretty basic kit. It's got the connector. Once we get that cap off, we'll plug it into it. Then I'll run zip ties across, and I'll have this here hanging down right where the cable chains go, right in that area. So it'll be available. All you got to do is just pop it in and you're good to go. Oh, cool. Oh, I thought it had the green light, so you know you're good. It's got a green dot. I don't know if that's going to help me. Anyway, let me get this installed and I'll bring you back when I've got it all in there. Okay, I mean it's not tough. You plug it in, you zip tie it, you hang it out, you're done. I'll bring you back. And here's the final view. You've got your hitch, you've got your wiring, and let me show you underneath how I've got it wired underneath. So it comes off the plug right there, runs along the tow bar, zip tied in place, and plugged into the provisions right there. Again, not a very difficult project. Well, that was it. I got it plugged in to the provisions that was already there, ran it across, zip tied it, and have it hanging down below. Did it come out perfect? Pretty close, but that's not important. The important thing is we made progress. Now my Toyota Highlander, my wife's Toyota Highlander, is equipped to tow with a nice, fairly hidden tow bar, and it's all wired for trailer wiring. Thanks for watching.